Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT. This is a 7-seater and I will show you how to lower third and second row seats so you have lots of cargo space and you can transport pretty much anything. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2009 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first to lower the second row seats, you will have a lever right here at the bottom. You just want to pull it up and this will fall down the seat, and you will do the same on the other side. Okay, here's the lever. And now I will show you how to fall down the third row seats. Now these ones will have a small lever just here on the top which you want to pull up and then push down onto the seat. Okay, and the same thing on the other one as well. And this gives you really lots of cargo space in this vehicle. It's almost like a Dodge minivan, just not as high. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.